Guys, what's going on? It's time for unboxing. First one I got this is all from Fisherman's source online. It's a shop, tackle shop in New Jersey. They ship pretty quickly. As soon as you order, if you order it earlier in the days, they'll get it out by the same day or next day, and you'll get it in about a day or two if you live in the East Coast. But Hurricane Fluke mine, this was on sale. It's a 6-ounce one for, I think it was about $2.99, $2.59 or so. It's nice little synthetic bucktail. The hook kind of needs a work, but it's fine. I like it. A lot of action. Got a bunch of these tsunami silicone jigs, as well as glass minnows. All $2.99 as well. It's awesome, but when you get it, there's these, I think the round bent hook. I'll show you what the round bent hooks are. So you get an option for standard, I think, and round bent hooks. So you want to get based on how you're going to use it. So if you're just going to use maybe small gulp minnows or something like that, the standard hook will be fine. Show you the difference. Versus round bend hook. The standard one is this. It's small, so if you're using gulp minnow or gulp, what is it, shad or something like that, this would work. Or if you just want to use fresh bait, put it on here. But if you're using gulp grub, like 5-inch, 6-inch, again, this one's good for like 3-inch, 4-inch max. Anything 5-inch or bigger, you want to get the round bend hook. So that's the difference. These do work well, and I think when you buy it, it needs a good balance of how it presents itself underwater. And I feel like I've used many different ones, and these work really well. Maybe it's the design, maybe it's the better hook, maybe it's the color, who knows. But this definitely attracts more flounder, and I've been most successful with these glass minnows. Whether it be a silicone jig skirt or regular glass minnow, sort of a synthetic plastic bucktail. What else we got? Various colors, little blue ones. And again, this is a standard hook, glass minnows. More chartreuse with synthetic plastic bucktail. Pink color, of course. Gotta have those pink colors. More chartreuse skirt. Free shipping, so if you're going to buy this, maybe you could get together with your friends and get it. If you get it, pay $50 worth, that's what I did. You get a free shipping. There's a pink one. Trust me, if you get these glass minnows, you're going to catch. If you've been having trouble hooking or not getting any catches, put one of these and gulp grub in there, and you'll definitely, I guarantee you're gonna catch something. What I'll probably do is bottom up. What I'll do is I'll probably put this on the top and then put this on the bottom, so this is weighing down on the ground while this flutters more from the back freely. I think that will attract more flounder. If you guys have a fish like that. But that's how I'll be fishing this next week on the Captain Bob. That's my plan. Go back out there and try some flounder. And again, Captain Bob's been Captain Chris. They do a really good job. Him and Will, the deckhand, they do a fine job getting the right drift, getting the right angle, and getting you on fish. And they will, I guess some people will see it in a negative way, but I think all captain and deckhand should fish, especially for like flounders, until it gets hot, right? Like when people are catching fish, they'll stop fishing. But I hear people complaining, but I think all captains and deckhands should have their fishing line on the ground, and if they can't produce and if they are struggling, then they should be moving. And I see a lot of good captains, the ones that really care about the customers and want to really bring people back, they do that. I think a lot of tourists complain and stuff like that, but regulars really appreciate that because you get a chance to meet the captain and deckhands. So if you do see those captains and deckhands coming out and fishing with you, then have a chance to talk to them. You shouldn't be complaining. There's a reason for that, and regulars know it. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Go out, and I'll talk to you guys later.